All right. So, hello everyone. It's May 1st, 2025, and then welcome to the SD community meeting. So we have a couple of things in our agenda. Let me get started with the first thing. Last 2 weeks ago, we have announced a couple of mentees that in the SED mentorship cohort 2. So I just want to add a couple of additional mentees that we decided to add it to this cohort. Nate and Josh, I don't think they are able to attend this meeting today, but Nate and Josh, who are leading the documentation effort, have picked Wendy and wrong. I think I had the name wrong. Hold on, just a second. I'm sorry. We picked two more mentees for the dog part. Ronald. Okay. There. Okay. All right. Wendy and Ronald, congratulations to become the mentees of cohort 2, and thanks to Fu Wei, who picked another mentee in his area in B-Boat. Gong, congratulations. And thanks to Ivan, who generously picked another mentee from the candidates after. Congratulations and welcome to the cohort. All right.
Quick question. Are you gonna send an email or something? I think you mentioned something like that.
Yeah, I sent the email.
Oh,
I did get a couple of people ping me saying they get the invitation, but then still don't have access to the meeting. So that's my next question. I'll send select the message to all of you to make sure everybody got the message. I created a Google group for that. So all the mentors and mentees should have received an email. I'll figure out why you guys have not. Can there be a take a home assignment kind of thing to get myself into a city mentor? I applied but wasn't selected. First round at any topic. Yeah. There is a reason that we can only have limited mentees in this program. It's because of the bandwidth of all our mentors. How to get to the next cohort mentorship program. So first of all, we encourage everybody to start attending, like, for example, other mentorship programs in Kubernetes. Last community meetings, we invited Kathleen from the SIG Contribex to talk about the new contributor orientations. It have a lot of resource in that program. So that's a good place to start if you have never contributed to Kubernetes or SAD. Pick your first PR and become a Kubernetes or SAD member is definitely a good starting point. And then there are a lot of good to start first issues in SAD and Kubernetes. Those are also a good place to start contribution. You don't have to be in the mentorship program to be contributing. And our mentors, they don't only talk to their mentees. They talk to all the community and then send message to the SIG SAD. Try to write your first PR. Yeah, basically mentorship is not only the only way to contribute and learn from our awesome SAD leads. All right. Okay.
Also, just expanding on that. So yeah, in the last community meeting, Kathleen, is that her name? Yeah, I think she gave a good overview of if you weren't select for this cohort, like what you can do, and also like she opened like why may you have not been selected. So I think definitely go back, watch that recording from 2 weeks ago. It's in our YouTube. I think maybe James already uploaded it, or maybe not, but definitely I recommend watching that recording.
Oh, thank you, Ivan, because I was in that meeting. Thank you very much. So I will find out the link of that meeting and add it to the community meeting notes. All right. Anything else? All right, let's go to the next topic. Ivan?
So last time we had Marek and we didn't have Benjamin, and this time we have Marek. We don't have Marek. I think it's Labor Day in everywhere but the US. So I think highly likely Marek isn't here because of that. I think I'm gonna push that discussion to next community meeting because I think we need both Marek and I would like to discuss with both Marek and Benjamin point and have their point of view.
All right.
And also James. James is not here.
Okay. Do we have like a discussion issue in SED GitHub?
Not yet.
Okay.
Yeah. Alternatively, I guess I will just yes. Or maybe maybe we can also discuss it with maybe in the leadership meeting or something.
Okay.
Because it's still unclear. So it's a topic that I've been discussing with James, but we don't have an action plan.
Okay.
It's just that we just wanna get want to understand the feeling of if we decide to go with like what are alternative we have to improve automation within our constraints of security because we're inside the Kubernetes GitHub organization. So there's nothing concrete. It's just pure.
Ivan, do you have an issue or Google
No,
Doc?
that's what I'm saying. We don't have an issue because we don't have action items yet. So it's just philosophy. So we're just trying to find like a philosophical point of view if that's something feasible that we want to do or not. I can start an issue, but it's still a little bit too early to have an issue, I feel.
Okay.
Yeah. Again, ideally we should. Yeah, I think it makes sense. I'll open an issue so we all can discuss it and give our point of view because it's it's gonna.
Yeah, maybe you can add to the discussions
Mhm.
instead of the issue. And then
Yeah, I think we use the discussions mostly for like troubleshooting. But yes, I'm gonna start. That's a good point. Maybe it should be a discussion, and from there we can set action items for an issue. Thank you. I'll do that.
yeah, either discussion or dog or issue is fine so that like it's hard to get everybody in place at the same time. It's a help to facilitate the async discussion.
Sound good. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave it there in next topics to discuss, but I'm gonna delete it by next time.
Sounds good.
Okay,
thank you, Benjamin.
Okay, yeah, 3.6 should be always a priority before we finally release the 3.6.0. Yeah, we released RC4 probably 2 weeks ago. I was thinking RC4 is the final RC release before we release final 3.6.0, but it seems that not that the case because we have some fix after the RC4, so we need to release RC5. Yeah, there's only one pending PR. Is the last one? Could go to the last comment. The last comment. Yeah. There's only PR we need to merge. After this PR, not this one. Sorry, not this one.
This one.
Yeah. Yeah, I already approved this PR. After the PR merged, we need backport to 226. Yeah, this is the last one. After this is merged and backport to 226, I think we are ready to release RC5.
Okay, so this one is already raised and actively in review.
Yeah.
Is anything blocked or?
No block. Just need one more approval.
Okay.
Yes, I already checked this pull request yesterday. I was just waiting on you. I can review after this meeting.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Okay. The next one, we because we need to make sure etcd doesn't break anything on the Kubernetes side. So the problem for now is we don't have a dependent workflow to do the integration test. Integration between etcd and Kubernetes, we don't have that workflow. So we depend on Kubernetes workflow to do that test. So we need to bump the RC4 into the Kubernetes. Yeah, can go to the Google Doc. Sorry, when you go to the Google Doc. Yeah, I added another item. Yeah, this is the last PR. This last PR is pending. There's a workflow failure. I say Josh is or not.
I think he is here. I saw him.
Oh yeah, Josh. Yeah, Josh in the meeting.
Yes, I'm here. Yeah.
I say there are workflow. Well, there's a failure in the workflow.
Right. I saw that. I tried to ask for clarification because he said that we have to add 3.6 only on version 1.34, right?
Yeah.
And the workflow fails because it's like it expects the default version to be 3.60, but it receives 3.5.21.
Okay.
So I'm trying to ask if that is correct. If that is what is expected, can you it's at my last comment
Okay.
in the review. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Anyway,
Thank you for
yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Anyway, my point is this is a priority for now. This is a priority for the 2.0.
Right. Okay. I'll try to make it work. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So probably most likely we will release RC5 probably next week. When RC5 is out, we will do the same thing for the RC5. We will need to bump RC5 into Kubernetes. Hopefully RC5 is the final RC version before we release the 2.6.0. So the rough plan is we release RC5 roughly in the next week. And then we bump the RC5 into Kubernetes. And when we are watch the test failure in Kubernetes and etcd side to make sure there's no any regression. Probably roughly 2 weeks or 2 or 3 weeks later, we can release final RC 3.6.0. Yeah, this is the rough plan.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Yeah, this is the offer from my side.
Quick question, should we release RC5 immediately after we do the removal of the distributed tracing, so Sejuan's pull request?
Yeah, I'm okay. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, I'm okay. It's up to you. We can release RC5 tomorrow or early next week. It's okay.
I think maybe early next week so we can gather a team.
Yeah, sure. No problem. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I think this bumping Kubernetes is blocking that.
Sorry.
The Kubernetes pull request, that's not blocking the RC5, right?
No.
And yeah.
No. Yeah. Yeah, previously, when we bumped etcd version in Kubernetes, we depend on the release lead to approve the PR. Now we are take etcd lead is the approval now. So this is big enhancement. So we approve the PR ourselves.
Nice. All right, anything else from the audience? Any questions, things want to discuss? All right, if not, I think we can end early today. Thank you, everyone. We'll see you guys next time.
See you.
Okay.
Yeah, bye. See you.